Hi guys, welcome to Let's Talk About Nature. Let's get started. Welcome to Mariji's yoga class. Here's our special guest, Abby. I'm going to be learning. The reason we're called Mariji's yoga class is because me and Maria, our name is combined together, which makes Mariji. Low key. Okay, split time. Is it supposed to hurt? Yes, that means you're working hard. If you want to go on the extra level, try a jump split. Almost there. Almost. Next up is our elbow stand. If you want, you can put your feet to the floor. Are you sure this is yoga? Yes. Okay, I'm supposed to do that. I deserve a sticker. At least a stamp. I mean, you're doing an okay job. Okay, now last but not least, actual yoga is for Abby. Recording. This would be better if it's rock meditating. No, that's stupid. That actually looks really fun. I have to go on my lunch break. But it's only 5 o'clock. It's fact time with Abby. It's craft time with Maddie. It's fact time with Abby. Hey, finally, it's fact time with Abby. Here's a fact. If you cut down a tree and count its rings, that's how old it is. Wait, but why would you cut down a tree? Oh, and don't even get me started on plastic straws. Okay, that's enough. My turn. Hi guys, welcome to Craft Time with Maddie. Now it's finally Craft Time with Maddie, not Fact Time with Abby. Okay, first, we're gonna try to attract Bigfoot today. I've been trying for a while, so I think this will work. So first you need 2 different color Play-Dohs. It doesn't matter what color, it's just 2 different colors. I'm using blue and yellow. And you also need googly eyes. So first you get the Play-Doh out. Then you smush it up into a ball-like figure. I don't know. Figure. So you mush it up into a ball-like figure, and you put it on the ground. And then you get the blue or the whatever color, and you smush it up into a ball-like figure again, and then smush it on top of the other color. So make sure it stays. Mine is not staying. Mine is not cooperating. So then you should get 2 different size googly eyes. It doesn't matter what size. Or you could just have the 2 googly eyes. So here are my googly eyes. Put them on the Play-Doh. Looks like this guy has some eye problems. And this should be your masterpiece. Okay, so you take your Bigfoot guy and you put it outside of your house. And you wait slowly and quietly. Whoa, what is this? I got you, Bigfoot! Oh, it's just Gigi. Just because I have big feet doesn't mean I'm Bigfoot. Oh. Hacks! About in Mariji's
let's talk about nature.